I've lost a baby, I've lost my mother, and every morning, I still choose Victor. Not because the pain is gone, because choosing him is how I keep going.
Kamusta mga kaibigan? Welcome to Josh Friends, where faith meets friendship and inspiration is always within reach. Ako po si Father Migs Ramirez, and as we step into another year together, I'm so glad you're here with us. For those just joining us, think of this as your spiritual tambayan, a place where we gather to share stories of faith through the amazing collection from Jescom exclusives, Stories of Faith. Whether you're a long-time listener or this is your first time here, tuloy po kayo. Part na kayo ng barkada namin. Each episode, we invite friends of the Jesuits to share something special from the Jescom Exclusives library. Readings from our books, song lyrics turned into poetry, and words that might be exactly what your heart needs to hear today. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into another episode of heartwarming stories and uplifting messages. Are you ready? Let's go!
My name is Rachel Villanueva Cruz, HR professional, wife, someone who has learned slowly and not always gracefully that grief and joy are not opposites. They are neighbors, and sometimes they share the same room. I've been married to Victor for a while now, and one of the things nobody prefers you for about marriage is that never stops being a choice. Not in a heavy way, in a beautiful daily, sometimes exhausting way. You keep discovering who this person is, what they want, how they've changed, and then you decide again, yes, still you, still is. We do ordinary things together, food trips, coffee trips, series, watching movies we've been meaning to finish, dog watching on lazy afternoons. These things sound small, but they're not small. They're the whole thing actually. A friend passed me Finding God in the Mess by Brendan McManus and James Deeds during one of the heavier seasons. She didn't say much, just handed it over and said she thought it might help. She quoted one line to me first. There are so many people feeling like we're in dark times. Every day, we hear about frustrations, job losses, family disputes, illnesses, worries, and more. Yun lang. Pero may something sa simpleng pag-amin na yon. Hindi nagpapanggap na madali ang buhay, hindi naghahanap ng silver lining agad. Nagsasabi lang ng totoo. Binasa ko ang buong chapter, tinatawag itong Dark Night. The antidote to darkness is light. The lesson of this world around us is that light will replace darkness. At saka ito. Jesus is known as many things. One name he called himself as the light of the world. Let us pray that his light shine on us all these days. Finding God in Mess is available through Jescom exclusives at jescom.ph/Josh. Nawalan ako ng baby. Hindi madaling sabihin yon. Hindi rin madaling dalhin. May mga araw na parang kaya mo na. May mga araw na biglang bumabalik yung bigat niya at hindi ka handang matanggap. Tapos nawalan din ako ng nanay. Bigla. Yung klase na pagkawala na hindi mo naman talagang nahahanda kahit alam mong darating. Yung coping ko ay simple. Nagdarasal ako para sa kanila. Nagpapatuloy, nag-iingat na mabuhay. Hindi ibig sabihin na pagpatuloy na kalimutan mo na sila. Ibig sabihin, dinadala mo sila sa bawat araw na pinipili mong mabuhay. Victor ang malaking bahagi kung bakit kaya ko yun. Hindi siya nag-aayos ng lahat. Hindi niya kaya, pero nandun siya. Sa food trips, sa katahimikan ng gabi na hindi kami nagkakausap ng marami, sa simpleng pagiging kasama sa isang buhay na minsan ay napakabigat dalhin na mag-isa. Yun ang marriage para sa akin. Hindi yung pelikula. Yung totoong bagay, yung tao na nandoon sa pinaka-ordinaryong sandali at sa pinakamahirap na gabi. Yung Dark Knight chapter ay nagtatanong ng tatlong bagay na hindi ko agad masagot. What is the light of my life? Si Victor. Yung mga alala ng nanay ko. Yung maliliit na buhay na hindi ko nasamahan ng matagal. Pero hindi ko rin makakalimutan. What is darkness I experience? Yung mga araw na dumarating, yung grief na walang babala, yung mga sandali na parang nasasala mo ang lahat at naiisip mo kung saan ka ngayon kung hindi dahil nangyari ang mga nangyari. Jesus is the light of the world. How can I live in that light? Sa pamagitan ng pagpili, araw-araw, hindi dahil wala ng sakit, kundi dahil may dahilan pa rin para pumili. Ganon ang grief. Hindi siya nawawala. Natututo ka lang na dalhin siya nang hindi siya ang nagdadala sa'yo. At minsan, ang pinakamakapangyarihang bagay na magagawa mo ay ang gumising. Pumili ng tao na mahal mo at manood ng series and movies kasama niya hanggang matulog kayo. Hindi dramatic, pero totoo. Sa totoo lang, yun ang pinakamatapang na bagay na alam ko. Ang pagpatuloy na pumili ng buhay kahit alam mong maaaring mawalan ka ulit. Kung nasa dark night ka rin ngayon, finding God in the mess ay hindi magbibigay sa iyo ng lahat ng sagot. Pero uupo ito sa tabi mo at sasabihin, hindi ka nag-iisa sa dilim. At darating ang liwanag, hindi para burahin ang lahat ng nawala, para samahan ka habang dala-dala mo sila. Available ito sa Jescom exclusives sa jescom.ph/Josh. At ngayong Agosto, hayaan ang mahal naming ina ni Father Fruto Ramirez S.J. na samahan ka. Isang panalangin sa ating ina na lagi nandoon sa pinakamadilim na gabi at laging mahawak sa atin patungo sa Ama. Kapag kaming yumaang lumbay, kaming samahan doon sa Amang Kaharian. Available sa Spotify, Apple Music, at lahat ng major streaming platforms. I've lost a baby, I've lost my mother, and every morning, I still choose Victor. Not because the pain is gone, but choosing him is how I carry everything I've lost into a life that still has a room for joy. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal bago maging mas magaan. Pero alam ko ito. May tao akong pipiliin bukas at malamang manonood kami ng series and movies at kumain ng pagkain para sa amin. At yun lang, sapat na. Finding God in the Mess by Brendan McManus S.J. and Jim Deeds is available through Jescom exclusives at jescom.ph/Josh. And this August, let Mahal Naming Ina by Fruto Ramirez S.J. accompany your month, available on Spotify, Apple Music, and all streaming platforms.
Maraming salamat po mga kaibigan. I hope the words we shared resonated with you and gave you something beautiful to carry into your week. Remember, the full book, song, or resource we featured today, along with so many other inspiring materials, can be found at Jescom Exclusives Stories of Faith. And before we go, I want to remind you, in this journey of faith, hindi ka nag-iisa. We are all in this together, growing and discovering God's love in every conversation, every story, and every moment. Ito po si Father Migs Ramirez, and until we meet again, paalam at ingat mga kaibigan.